Welcome to a new video, everybody. I found these ruby red valve caps that we're going to go ahead and put on our tires, and I'm going to show you one other mod that I went ahead and put on. It was a product I wanted to try. There wasn't really an install video for it. You'll see why here in just a little bit. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these on our tires, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we're just going to unscrew this here. Make sure you save all of your extra valve caps. I actually have a spot in my car where I keep an extra set of 4 of these, so whenever you take these off, you'll probably just want to go ahead and put them in your center console or wherever inside your car that you'll remember they are. And number 2. 3. And number 4. Alrighty, so now that the old ones are secured, we can go ahead and put on our nice new red ones. And we'll just screw that on. And you don't want to really tighten it too tight because then you'll break the cap off of that inside cap in there, because it's basically just a valve cover with this covering glued onto it. Here's the inside. See, you can see it's just kind of 2 layers in there. Go ahead and screw that one on there. Number 3. And the last one. All right. Yeah, those look pretty good. Alrighty, and the last thing I wanted to show you is I went ahead and bought one of these dummy tow hooks off of Amazon. It's just the one that you stick on here with like the double-sided 3M adhesive stuff. I actually originally got a real one to stick through the bumper, but I would have had to take the whole front end apart, and even then I didn't really know where I was going to be able to put it, if it was going to hang kind of crooked off this, you know, because it turns right around here and it would have been diagonal. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get one of these, because I'm not really going to be using it as a for real tow hook. I mean, you see these on cars all the time and you really got to wonder, are they actually using it as a for real tow hook? But anyway, you can find this on Amazon for like 15 bucks. I've had this one on now for a little more than a week, and I mean it's held good. I've already washed the car and it's rained. It still looks pretty good. It comes with like a little Allen wrench to secure it a little better here, this part that moves. But I mean, for 15 bucks and not wanting to drill a bunch of holes in your car and bolt stuff into your frame, it literally takes 2 minutes to apply. I mean, that's the way to go, and it adds just a little bit more flair to your car. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like the video. Go check out another one on the channel. There I am over there in the reflection. Again, thanks so much for stopping by, and see you in the next video.